Text: how to run a self-clean cycle on an LG range.
How to run a self-clean cycle on an LG range.
A black silver oven in a kitchen. Subtitles:
LG understands that cleaning your oven is not an easy task. And so, LG Self-Clean feature gives you the ability to keep your oven looking shiny and new by having the oven clean itself.
Image: residue burn onto the bottom of the oven.
For heavy built-up soils, especially in hard-to-reach areas, or for a thorough cleaning every 6 months, Self-Clean uses high temperatures during a 2 to 4 hour cycle to burn the soil to ashes.
A fire burns in the back of the oven.
Before running a Self-Clean cycle, there are a few important things to remember.
Animation: the oven with trays of food inside. The trays disappear as well as the racks.
First, remove everything from the inside of the oven, including all racks, cooking utensils, and food. For a dual oven, remove everything from both ovens. Do not place aluminum foil in the oven for any reason. Doing so will negatively impact heat distribution and can cause permanent damage to the oven interior.
Somebody holds a spray bottle to the inside of the oven.
Prior to using Self-Clean, do not use oven cleaners, as this will damage the finish when Self-Clean is used.
Somebody rubs the gasket with a cloth.
Also, do not clean the door gasket. Take care not to rub, damage, or move the gasket to ensure a good seal. Lastly, make sure your kitchen area is well ventilated during the process. Turn on the cooktop fan or open the windows for better airflow. Note that the Self-Clean cycle will smoke. Remove pets and children to another well-ventilated area while running Self-Clean. During Self-Clean, electric cooktops will not operate and will show HS on the display as an indicator that the surface may be hot.
Digital display on the top reads HS.
It is also recommended that you do not use your gas cooktop during Self-Clean.
Self-Clean button on left side of display on the bottom row.
To set Self-Clean, start by pressing the Self-Clean key. If you have a dual oven, you can only run Self-Clean on one oven at a time. Select the upper oven or lower oven Self-Clean key. Note that you cannot operate the other oven while Self-Clean is in use. To toggle between 2, 3, and 4 hour cycles, press the Self-Clean key repeatedly. The default setting is 3 hours. For lighter soils, use 2 hours. For heavier soils, use 4 hours. Next, press the Start key to activate Self-Clean.
The Start key is circled on the right side of the panel.
The oven door will automatically lock and Self-Clean will begin. Note that the oven door cannot be opened during Self-Clean and will remain locked until the oven is completely cooled down. You may see smoke and smell an odor during the Self-Clean cycle. This is normal. For safety, do not touch the oven or surrounding areas until the cycle has ended and the indicator light turns off, indicating that the door is unlocked.
A white dash in the digital interface disappears. The time says 00.
After the oven cools down, wipe out any ash with a damp cloth. If the oven is not clean after one cycle, you may repeat the Self-Clean process. For further assistance, you can easily find our contact information on the LG.com website. Go to the support menu to ask us more questions.
Icons: Twitter, Facebook, chat, email, phone. This video is provided